Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Guys, this is being asked in the question like we need to express 67 degree sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Let's see. Once we start, the things will be more clear. Now, what is being given? It is being given sine 67 degree. It is being given sine 67 degree. So, I can write here sine 67 degree, sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. Now guys, the question is asking us to reduce these things to such a form so that it lies between 0 degree and 45 degrees. That means these particular angles and these particular angles, we should put it in such a way so that these lies between 0 degree and 45 degree. Now you could see that these are more than 45 degrees, 67 degree and 75 degree is more than 45 degree. Now we need to reduce these things in such a way so that it is less than 45 degree. Now let's see what we are going to do. Guys, we know that 67 is nothing but 90 minus 23. Similarly, cos 75 is nothing but 90 minus 15. Just keep these things guys in mind. 67 is nothing but 90 minus 23 and 75 is 90 minus 15. Now guys, we know that cos, we very well know that sine 67, how we can write? I can now write sine 67 degree as the above equation. I can write instead of sine 67 degree, I can write sine 90 degree minus 23 degree. That is what I shown you here. 90 minus 23 is 67. 90 minus 15 is 75. So instead of sine 67 degree, just I am writing sine 90 degree minus 23 degree plus cos 90 degree minus 15 degree. Instead of 75 degree, just I have broken this one into two things, 90 minus 15. Or I can write, or let it be this equation number 1. This let us name this one as equation number 1, guys. So what we got? Cos sine 67 degree as sine 90 degree minus 23 degree and cos 75 degree as cos 90 degree minus 15 degree. Guys, we very well know that cos theta is equal to sine 90 degree minus theta. This is what we very well know. This is the identities, or this is one of the formulas. So instead of theta, if I replace the values as 23 cos 23 degree, then I can write cos 23 degree is equal to sine 90 minus 23 degree, or I can write cos 23 degree, or let it be sine 90 degree minus 23 degree. Let it be equation number 2. So what I did, I just replaced the value of theta with 23 degree. So I got cos 23 degree is equal to sine 90 degree minus 23 degree. Now, similarly, what I can do? Similarly, I can write sine theta. We very well also know that sine theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. This is what we also very well know by this time. Or I can write sine, now considering value of theta to be 15 degree. So I can write sine 15 degree is equal to cos 90 degree minus 15 degree. Let this be equation number 3, guys. Hope we are very clear this time, by this time. So now look at equation number 2 and equation number 3. What we got from equation number 2? We got cos 23 degree is equal to sine 90 degree minus 23 degree. And equation number 3, we got sine 15 degree is equal to cos 90 degree minus 15 degree. Now, what I can write? The equation number 1 now I can represent as cos 23 degree plus sine 15 degree. How? Just But the equation number 1 is like sine 90 degree minus 23 degree. Replacing the value of this sine 90 degree minus 23 degree from the equation number 2, that is cos 23 degree. Similarly, replacing the value of cos 90 degree minus 15 degree from equation number 3. So I got the above equation as, or this, guys, I'm talking about this particular equation. I got the particular equation, or I rewrote this particular equation as cos 23 degree plus sine 15 degree, looking at equation number 2 and 3. And guys, this is what you could see, that the values of these two, this 23 degree and this 15 degree, are less than 45 degree. So this 23 degree and 15 degree are less than 45 degree. So this also satisfies the given condition, or the given thing in the question, because they, as per the question, they want us to express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. So this is what we are able to identify, or we are able to express the values as. So we are able to express the values of the given equation. I can write, or we can say that the value of sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree can be written as cos 23 degree plus sine 15 degree. That's all, guys. This is what the question asked us to find out, and we are able to express this sine 67 degree plus sine cos 75 degree as cos 23 degree plus sine 15 degree, and this 23 degree and 15 degree are less than 45 degree. Hope, guys, you understood this process, or the steps that I followed to find out this calculation, or this equation. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.